Hello guys, this is Alberto right here, and today I got my DJI Osmo Pocket 3. I'm very happy and I can't wait to unbox this with you guys. This is just a quick video, so I guess I have to get a knife. Alright, so I'm back. I got this scissor here. I hope my wife doesn't say too much about it. So yeah, I just got this camera because you guys know the channel's name is God, Family and Travel, and I haven't done that much travel yet, mostly because I don't have the budget yet. But with this camera, I hope it opens me the door to travel more and to show you guys around. And I already have an idea that I can blend faith and travel. Okay, so there's this bag here. I'll put on the side because I can see there's something inside over here. Let me check. Let me put this on the side. Yeah, this is not like a professional video like you are used to see from the other YouTubers. Let me see what they have here. Oh, this is the case. This is the case for the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. So they have the case, and guys, I got the creators combo, meaning that it's supposed to come with a microphone, external microphone, battery extender, wide lenses, something like that. There is an adapter that goes into the lenses to make it more wider. But let's see. This is the bag that came with the camera. The quality is very nice. Quality is very nice. Let me open it and let's unbox it. I see here the DJI on its glory. It's a very small camera. You guys can see how it fits on the palm of my hand. And guys, let me know if you want to see like a quick review, or like the picture quality, the audio. Just let me know. I'll be more than happy to show it to you guys. This is the USB-C port. This is a slot for the memory card. This is a microphone here, and they have another microphone here on the side. So this screen rotates. When you rotate the screen, the camera tunes on, but I will close it because I'm not ready to configure yet. So if you guys want to see, just stick around. I'll be releasing a video actually if you guys tell me, because I don't want to keep you guys bored with all this stuff. And this is the microphone that comes with it, and I got another one, so I have two. So I have two microphones. But if you buy the creator combo, it's gonna come only with one. I bought another one because I'll need two. So you guys can see it's also very small. I got this kit because, like I said, I want to start traveling, and this kit, since it's very small and compact, you know, you can put on your bag and carry on, just go, instead of getting something very big like I had before, a Sony ZV-1 with a gimbal. Yeah, it will be very hard like when I'm traveling. It's not very practical. So this is the battery extender. This is like to charge the camera on the go. While this is connected here, the camera will be charging and you can keep using the camera. So that means there is a battery here for the camera itself, and there is a USB-C on the battery extender. Some people say that you can attach a microphone here. When you plug this in, you plug this to this USB-C, so you lose that port. So that port basically is replicated here, so you can plug the external microphone through here as well. And also you can put this on a tripod. You can use this for the tripod. And speaking of tripod, that's actually the next thing here on the back. This is a tripod. You see, you can either attach directly to the camera, or you can attach here. And you see, how it sits. Very nice, very compact, nice. Okay, let's see. And it doesn't wiggle, guys. It doesn't wiggle. It's secure. Okay, let me see. And this is an extender. Let's say if you don't want something very long like this, right? You can just unplug this, take it off, and put it on, so you have more room for your hand. Since the camera is very small, that way you have more room for your hands, like more gripping room, you know, to grip the camera. Without this, it's very small, and it's like you don't have that much grip. So this helps you having that extra grip. So let me see what else comes here. Here's another compartment here. This is the cable to charge, USB-C. And this is the dead cat, you know, to put on top of the microphone when it's windy outside and you want to record outside. This is the strap for the camera. The dead cat has this thing that basically attaches here, you know, like this. Let me see what else we have here. That's the wide lenses. This is a magnet. This magnet attaches here on the camera like this. The magnet is very small. When you don't want to grab the microphone to your shirt, let's say this is your shirt, right? You will put the magnet on the interior side, and then the microphone will be like this, so you can attach it to your clothes. I hope you guys enjoy it. Let me know if you want to see the camera quality and all the other stuff that the camera has to offer. This was just a quick review. Please don't forget to subscribe to see more of this camera. And guys, we are going somewhere in 2 weeks, and you guys will be able to see everything will be recorded with this and the drone that I have. I'm very excited, so you guys stay tuned so you don't miss it. God bless.